The guys over at Oztent, they said to me, "Hey MadMatt, we've developed a couple of new chairs. We've developed the Kokoda HotSpot and the Goanna HotSpot chairs, and we'd like to give you some." So I said, yeah, all right then, I'll do a review and I'll tell you what I reckon of these new chairs. So, what do you want in a camp chair? Well, you want to be comfortable for starters. I mean, whether you sit in a chair like that or whether you sit in a chair the way I do, it really doesn't matter as long as you are comfy around that campfire. And I reckon I'm pretty comfy now. I can sit like this for hours, but hey, it's got what you need as well. Like, let's face it, you can put your stubby in over there. You can keep your UHF radio in there. What else have we got over here? Your mobile phone can go in there. Now, we've also got a lumbar support system on the side here, and that's adjustable on both of them. But here is something that Mrs. MadMatt and I reckon. We don't reckon they've got that in the right spot because it's not really hitting your lumbar. So for us, we didn't find that work too good. Maybe they can change that, but it might work just fine for you. That was our thoughts. Now, what else have they got in here? Little spot on the top. Have you ever gone to pack up your chair and wondered where the bag's gone? Not here. It actually makes part of the headrest. Isn't that cool? So there you go there. Now, what's this hotspot about? See, it says there, hotspot. Well, it's this cool patented system they've come up with. You get these bags. Each chair will take 4 of them. You click this metal disc in here. Just click that a couple of times. And look at this. Can you see that changing colour? What's happening right now is that's getting hot in my hands. As I speak to you, it is as hot as right now. And what you do, you put it in here, or you put it in there. Or where's the other side? Or one of the pockets down underneath here. You can load your chair up with 4 of these. So you imagine, you're sitting around the campfire in winter, everybody else is freezing, and you're as snug as a bug in a rug in your chair. So that's pretty cool. I absolutely like it. Now, let's say it's summertime and you're lazing back at the beach. Don't you worry, you're not going to have a hot butt. You're going to put this in the fridge or in your esky. It's going to cool down and become an ice brick. And you're going to put that in your chair. So you're going to be chillaxing, you're going to be cool, you're going to look cool, just like I do now, and it's going to be an absolute ripper. So how's that? So check it out. If you're looking for some comfortable chairs to go to the beach with or go and sit around a snowy campfire, check out the Oztent Goanna or Kokoda HotSpot chairs. Interesting idea. I kind of like it. I'm MadMatt. Stay safe on the trails.